Follow these steps to get free YouTube without ads. Step 1. Open any browser. Step 2. Search Brave and click on top result. Step 3. Download Brave by clicking Get Brave for Windows. Step 4. Wait until your downloads gets completed. After download, wait until installation gets completed. Now navigate to youtube.com. Now search for videos inside YouTube and open any of the videos. Now you'll get ads-free experience on your videos without subscribing YouTube. To get more such videos, please subscribe this channel.